Welcome to A Day in the Life, Site Manager. This video offers a dynamic look at the discipline, leadership, and structure involved in managing temporary workers on a busy construction site. From sunrise to sunset, the site manager is the first on site, arriving before others for a quiet head start. This early arrival is the foundation of a well-run site, allowing them to review overnight notes and set the day's priorities. Today's game plan includes the site manager's daily review. This covers schedule and allocation, team coverage to ensure critical zones are staffed, and prioritizing safety and risk management. Managing 20 temporary workers across different skill levels and tiers requires organization. The goal is to turn individuals into a coordinated team with a single, unified plan. The day starts with a briefing, setting the tone for the entire crew. The site manager covers safety rules, task assignments, and daily priorities, keeping everyone on track and projects on schedule. A quick check of the safety basics is essential. This includes ensuring helmets are secured, gloves are on, boots are firm, and HIVIS is visible. The manager confirms compliance to prevent incidents. Assigning the right people to the right tasks requires speed and judgment. Clear labels and zones ensure everyone knows their role, boosting productivity across groundworks, materials, and cleanup zones. Managers walk the site to perform inspections, revealing critical details and reinforcing control. They check scaffolding, materials, and equipment to spot misalignments and maintain workflow. Developing an instinct for problems means spotting the issues early. Details matter, such as materials too close to a walkway. Catching issues promptly prevents delays, injuries, and costs. Small delays compound fast on a construction site. The site manager must decide fast, acting with clarity and confidence when an issue surfaces. Instant decisions keep the day on track. Accessible leadership keeps the crew moving and prevents workers from getting stuck. The manager is available to answer questions, remove blockers, and direct the next steps with practical, hands-on guidance. For everyone to be in sync, connected teams must follow one unified plan. This includes the groundwork, materials delivery, and cleanup teams, all working together seamlessly. Checking supplies involves delivery verification, counting pallets, verifying labels, and logging inventory. This prevents delays by ensuring materials and tools are available exactly when needed, showcasing operational discipline. New deliveries land in the materials delivery zone. The team works to unload efficiently, verify against orders, and distribute materials to the designated zones. A quick check-in involves building trust through visibility. Brief, human moments build morale and surface issues, reinforcing approachable leadership. When the site is busy with multiple crews, equipment, and shifting priorities, the site manager acts as the control center. They stay focused, directing flow, and always prioritizing safety and quality. Solving problems on the spot protects schedules and team confidence. Real-time problem-solving resolves conflicts and resource shortages quickly, defining agile site leadership. Clear communication is an operational necessity. Site managers use radios, phones, tablets, and dashboards to relay instructions clearly, broadcast updates promptly, and answer questions fast. The site manager performs a quality check, ensuring the workflow is monitored and the final product is delivered to standard. Inspection and quality control are woven into every phase. Midday is a quick reset for strategic regrouping. Workers recharge and refuel, and the site manager and key leads assess morning performance to identify adjustments for the afternoon push. The afternoon is all about the final stretch, maintaining momentum, and delivering according to schedule. It's a critical time for the manager to ensure everyone remains focused. Maintaining energy involves rotating jobs and providing small breaks to mitigate fatigue. The manager ensures hydration and checks for signs of exhaustion to keep safety a priority. The site manager ensures everything is running like a machine, with tasks being completed efficiently and safely. Operational discipline is essential to stay on track. Team supervision in the afternoon focuses on efficiency, ensuring resources are optimized and tasks are completed on time. The manager looks for areas to boost productivity. As the day ends, the manager conducts a final sweep to secure the site. This includes checking equipment is powered down and materials are stored safely, ensuring everything is ready for the next day. The site manager documents the daily progress, noting what was completed and what is pending. This data collection is vital for future planning and reporting. A post-shift debrief collects feedback from the temporary workers. This real-time input helps the manager understand issues and plan for improved performance tomorrow. The manager uses a digital checkout system for temporary workers. This provides accurate time tracking, verifies shifts are complete, and ensures correct payment and record keeping. The workday concludes with the site manager preparing the plan for tomorrow, leveraging the day's insights. This planning ensures a fresh and effective start. Thank you for watching A Day in the Life, Site Manager. We hope this video provided valuable insight into the critical role of site management.